Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, it's your girl Brianna Ayana, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, thank you for coming back. So, oh, that was a mouthful. Okay, so today's video, I'm gonna spill some tea. I hope you guys heard me right. I'm gonna spill some tea. So, as some of you may know, I usually do my hair and buy like affordable wigs because I'm not trying to break the bank. You know, I like to save my money. I don't like to spend my money. So I mainly shop on Amazon for wigs, and everyone always asks me where I get my wigs from. So why not do a video of like my top wigs from Amazon and like show you pictures, give you the pros and cons. So that's what we'll be doing today. So before we get into this video, please subscribe. Your girl is trying to get monetized. We need 1,000. I think we're at 200 and something, almost 300 subscribers. Oh, God, step it up. Do better. So yeah, just make sure you comment if you'd like videos for me to do. Leave them down below. If you love the video, like the video, and why haven't you subscribed yet? Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. So I do have a list on my phone. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. I do have a list on my phone, and I'll leave like links down below, as well as like pictures of me wearing the wig, as well as like the Amazon like screen grab, just to show you. So the first wig I'm gonna start off with is this one that I'm wearing. So I've had this for like about a month now. Yeah, I've had it for about a month now. Love. They aren't in any specific order, but I've had it for about, you guys get what I'm saying. It's not in a specific order. I'm just, you know, because I have it on, why not start with this one? So this is a wig from IC Hair. It is 150% density. It is 13 by 4, and I believe I got this in either an 18 or a 20 inch. I'm not too sure of how much it was. Not how much it was, I'm not too sure of the length it was, because I did like layer it, like, you know, to get those nice juicy curls. So I don't remember, but it's either 18 or 20. I would say it's almost true to length. I wouldn't say it's like right there. It's almost true to length. So I really like this one. The lace on this is really thin, and it's not transparent, but it's not medium brown lace. It's like in between. So if like you're my complexion or a little lighter, it will work for you. Or if you're darker as well, yeah, it should work for you. So pros of this wig is it curls really nicely. So I curled this like a couple days ago, and it's like still there. I do use flexi rods at night, so that could be why, but it curls really nicely. The luster is really nice, and the lace is really thin. Cons, probably with the lace not being transparent, because I would have rather the transparent lace, but yeah, it's good. So, and the cost of this one is $172. Again, this is the price I'm quoting you for the 18 inch. I don't remember what exact length I got locked out of my Amazon, so I can't go into my purchase history. So yeah, that's what I got for this one. And then the next one I got, that's one of my top faves, is the Jessica Hair. It's a 13 by 6 like curly bob, or I think they have it in longer lengths. Let me see. Yeah, they have it for until 20 inches, but I normally get a 14 or 16 inches. I've had like 3 of them, and when I tell you, it's really, really good. One thing I would say about that one though is that the nape gets kind of tangled, and that's with any curly wigs. So, but the reason I bought so much is because before I really didn't know how to do hair. I didn't know how to care for hair, so they always just get damaged. but I recently bought a new one and I'll be filming a video soon on that, so look forward to that video. So I really love that hair. The lace, it's not transparent again. Most of these won't be transparent lace, so you have to just, it's a hit or miss if it's gonna match, or like you have to like work some voodoo to make it work, but it's really nice. I typically get it in a 14 or a 16 inch and it runs for $126.98. So yeah, I think I went over everything for that one. The next one, and also I'll be inserting pictures as I talk so you can see how it looks and stuff. The next one is U-Crown hair. They are bomb. They are bomb. There are two of the wigs that I got from them. I styled them differently. One of them I got in like a length like this to do this same exact style, but it was too thin. So you see how this has body and it's like kind of thick at the ends? It was too thin, so I had cut it into a bob. And again, the lace is really thin, so like you can get away with adding makeup to it. The lace is really thin, so but I did cut it into a bob, and I believe I dyed it jet black, and I had to I did the water method. Don't ever do that. 100% do not recommend. So the lace was kind of off, but I'll insert pictures that the bob was really nice. I still wear it from time to time. Love it. Another one I did was the blonde, like highlighted ashy blonde wig. The color didn't come out exactly as I wanted it to, but it wasn't the hair's fault. It was, I was using like old bleach because I was tired, so it wasn't done properly, but it takes color really well and it's really thick. I do say it does get tangled a bit. It does get tangled a bit, but it's really good, and it typically runs for, let me see, it typically is, so the 20 inch, oh, they don't have any other sizes right now, but it's for right now, the prices that it's showing, they have 16 inches for $96 and a 26 inch for $189. So the 26 inch I got, that's what I did with the ashy blonde highlighted wig. That's what I did with that one. And then I got like the 20 inch, so a little over $100, where I cut it into a bob. But really good hair. I really like that. I plan to order it again because I want to do a different color, but I really recommend that hair. It's really bomb. So the next one is a loose deep wave wig. So I do have an anniversary vlog I'll be posting, so you'll see that that's the hair I'm wearing. Again, I don't know why, but I've been finding some wigs with the lace thin. Just like, that's what I like. So even if it doesn't really match me, it's like I can get away with it by, like, you know, makeup or lace tint or something of the sort. But bomb. Any cons to that one? I would say it's on the thinner side. I believe I got a 26 inch. It's not true to length. Definitely not 26 inches. So it's not true to length. It's really thin, or no, not really thin. It's not thick enough. So it's not thin to the point where it's like, oh my god, this is bothering me, but it's not thick enough to be like, damn, this hair is thick, you know. Thicker than a snicker. But yeah, so I do like that one. The lace is really thin, and you know, it was really nice to install. It was really easy to pluck. It was really nice. So yeah, I feel like everything else is good other than like the length and like the thickness of it, but I would order again. And by the way, guys, I hope you guys know this is not sponsored, because you guys know your girl's not monetized. If it was sponsored, we'd be celebrating. So all of these wigs I bought with my own money. Big disclaimer, I forgot to say that. So the last wig was this deep wave wig. You guys will see that in a video before this. So that, let me tell you, bomb. The lace thin. The only thing is that like the length of it, it's like right, the one, like when it hits like my shoulder, it's really short. So you know when you wet curly hair and it like becomes like big, when it dries and it becomes big, you can see the height difference. So like here will be puffy and then it will be long, and then it's just, I just didn't like that. I might have to like layer the wig so it looks better, because I don't really like that it's short here and there. And with curly hair you do get shedding, but other than that it's really good. The lace is really thin. It's definitely more on the medium brown side, but it's definitely really good. So guys, that's all the wigs I have for you. These are all wigs that I buy with my own money. These are all wigs that I recommend. I'm spilling the tea. I'm trying the wigs for you and telling you what to buy. Like, you guys should practically pay me. I'm just kidding, I'm here to help. But yeah guys, so that's all the wigs that I recommend from Amazon that, you know, I've experienced. I've told you the pros and the cons. So if you guys do try it out, let me know, send me pictures, and make sure to follow my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. It's at Brianna Ayana with 2 A's at the end. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you guys again.